You know, I didn't grow up in the South, but boy, I have fallen in love with Southern food. A few weeks ago, I was in Nashville having lunch with a couple of friends, and I was in the mood for something really Southern. So I ordered shrimp with cheesy grits. I have to admit, this dish delivered. It was the best I ever had. As soon as I got back to the test kitchen, we whipped up a batch of cheesy grits that I'm so proud of that I have to share them with you. All you have to do is bring some salt water to a boil, add a good amount of grits, and give it a good stir. After letting them simmer for a few minutes, they'll start to thicken up. At this point, we remove them from the heat and stir in lots of sharp cheddar cheese, along with a little butter. Once everything is smooth and melty, we stir in some black pepper, and to give this a kick, a bit of ground red pepper. Now, we could serve this just like this, or top bowls of it with some grilled shrimp or catfish as a real Southern favorite. Or how about serving this with some good old fried chicken for a combo that is nothing short of spectacular? To get the recipe for our goes with anything cheesy grits, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Southern-inspired way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.